Let's learn how to use blending effect for the videos. Let's add some background layer. Go to the media stock on the right side of the screen and black background on the drag line like this. Drag text layer and adjust with background. And then select text and write some text. Select the steady font size for revealing your video properly. And adjust the size like this. And then select both of them and right-click on the layer and create a compound clip. Then go to the import menu and import your video. Like this. And then blending option and selection multiple. And adjust the size of TH video, not the background layer. And then play it at once like this. And select the video and cut the extra part of the video. And then right-click on the clip and create compound clip. And then go to the effect. Search water ripple effect. And drag to the video line like this. And adjust the video like this. And click on the effect and adjust the effect properties like this. So here is the final result. Here is the second effect. It started. First import you both video on the timeline like this and then go to blending option and select the multiply. Here you can see blending effect is applied now on your video. And then go to the effect and you can play with some effect like these. I am not going to add any effect to my video because I don't need any effect. So here is the final result now. You can see how much easy to apply blending effect on your videos. Here is the final results. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs button and write down your comment if you like my video.